Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to contact Etsy support service. First of all, open Etsy.com, open any page of Etsy. All you have to do is scroll your page to the bottom of the screen. Once you're on the bottom of the page, all you have to do is find help section. From here you will see help center. Click on help center. A new page will open. From here, you have two options: shopping on Etsy and selling with Etsy. If you are a seller, then you have to select selling with Etsy. If you are facing problem while shopping, then you have to select this category. So I will select selling with Etsy. I will click on contact Etsy support. Click on it. A new tab will open. Now again, it is asking me buying on Etsy or selling on Etsy. I will click on selling on Etsy. Now there are tons of options. For example, I can choose any category. For example, my account is suspended, managing my shop and listing, finances and billing. For example, if I'm having an issue with shipping, I will click on shipping, shipping a buyer's order, Etsy shipping labeled, shipping profiles. So I will select this option and then it will give me some FAQs. I will select I still need help. I will click on it. Now, there is an option called email us. I will click on email us and then I will type in my email address here. I will type in the subject and the description of my problem, and I can also add files and click on send, and they will contact me into 1 to 2 business days. And that's basically how you can contact Etsy Help Center. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.